JGE here, and in front of me I have the Galaxy S24 FE, and today we're going to be doing a teardown of this. A few tools that you might want would be a suction cup, some kind of pry tool, pick, a spudger to get connections going, and something to eject a SIM card, and a Phillips 1.5. We would also want a heat gun or something to heat up this back glass here to lift it off. Alright, let's hop right into it.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repairs so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
Battery. Vibrator. Oh, we almost forgot. Make sure you get your SIM card out. There we go. Got the 5G antenna. We got buttons here, and then battery. We'll go ahead and get to the battery. And there we have it. So we got the screen over here. So if we wanted to, we can go ahead and heat that up and pull the screen out. And we've got a few buttons there that we'll go ahead and leave. Alright, and that concludes the teardown of the Galaxy S24 FE.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.